In this video, we'll explore amazing Amazon products you might not know about. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the video. Now, let's dive into these fantastic finds.
Elevate your blending game with this powerful 1,100-watt blender. Crush ice to snow in seconds and blend tough ingredients effortlessly. Create personalized blends with 3 manual speeds, pulse control, and a single serve function. Make large batches with the XL 72-ounce pitcher for parties or meal prep. Easily mince, chop, grind, and blend ingredients with the built-in food processing feature. Take your smoothies on the go with the 16 ounces to-go cups and spout lids. All removable parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. Get inspired with the 28 recipe guide included. Complete blender set includes everything you need for a seamless blending experience.